Hello guys, welcome back to this series on HTML language. In this video, we will learn about HTML text formatting. So what do we mean by text formatting? HTML contains several elements for defining text with special meaning. Special meaning, for example, sometimes we need to add bold text, important text, smaller text, inserted text or deleted text, etc. So we will see that together in this video. So let's start by the first example. We'll start by HTML B and strong element. So B element defines bold text without any extra importance. So here, let's start. The B tag allows us to do bold text. So let's write B tag. We have, for example, this is a bold text. When we execute this page, we have the result. This is a bold text. As you can see here, the text is in format bold. So whenever you need to have a bold text, you will just add the B text. Now, let's try the strong tag. We have another tag, strong. This text is important. So as you can see here, the result is the same. So if you want a bold text, use a bold text in your web page, you can use the B tag or the strong tag. It's the same. Now let's pass to the I and EM element. So the HTML E tag defines a part of text in an alternative voice or mode. So here, the content inside is typically displayed in italic. Let's try it. Let me delete this. So we have E tag. This text is italic, for example. As you can see here, the format of this text is italic. It's all about design. Now, the HTML EM element defines emphasizes a text. Let's see what do we mean by that. So we will use the EM tag. This text is we close our tag. As you can see here, also the result is the same. So if you want to write italic text with the format italic, you have to use I tag, or EM tag. It's the same. Now, if you want to write small text, there is a special tag that we call small. This is a small text, for example. As you can see here, the size of the text is small. Sometimes we need to write some deleted word. So to do that, we have to use del tag. So let's do it together. We have P paragraph. Inside, for example, we will write my favorite color is blue, for example. We close our P and we want this blue color to be deleted. So we have here del. As you can see here, the blue color is deleted. We used that del tag too much in news website or in social media. We can see that too much those days in social media. So we use del tag to do that. We have another new tag, sub tag. This is the sub tag. It's defined subscript text. So let's see together what do we mean by subscript text. So we have here, for example, P. We have our paragraph. This is, we use sub tag and after subscripted text, for example. Let's close it before the text. We have here text and here we need to close the P tag. So as you can see here, this is a subscripted text. You can see it's subscripted, this word. We use that too much in maths. So if you need to create a web page for maths, so you have to use this sub tag. So I hope you understand this lesson of HTML formatting. It's so I hope you understand this lesson of formatting HTML. It's so simple. It's just design stuffs. So thank you so much for listening, and see you in next video.